Good evening and welcome to my watch list for the week. I do this on Sunday evenings where I talk about stocks I will be paying close attention for the coming week. Trading starts on Monday and ends on Friday. Before we dive in, please note that this is not investment or trading or personal finance advice. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance. Please do your own research. Before we dive in, thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, to share, to subscribe. If you're just joining the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on your notifications so you know whenever there is a new video. My criteria for the watch list is quite simple. Technical reason, stocks that are trading at highs, lows, range trading, large volumes, as well as corporate actions. Corporate actions are any announcements made by a firm. First on my watch list for this coming week is Fidelity Bank. The wait for H1 2025 earnings continues, and this is quite key because we already have a number of banks have dropped their 9-month numbers. So if you're still waiting for H125 numbers, yes, the company had sent in a notice sometime last week. They've submitted results to the CBN, but we'll continue to wait. They gave no timeline as to when these results will be out. So I assume they'll be out anytime from now. Initiates PLC, TIP for short, has a public offer and rights issue opening this week. And just in case this is the most recent video you're watching, prior to this, you'd have a video on the Initiates where I looked at the numbers. And by the way, by the time you watch this Initiate space hosted by Green Ticker will either be concluded or still on. So once you see this video, go check Green Ticker or check my handle. You very likely will see me retweet or me sharing about the space that's happening. It's going to happen at 4 p.m. West African time. So by the time you watch this video, that space would have been done and dusted. If you want to go on the space and listen, go listen to the replay. We'll be getting the MD of the firm. It's not easy getting MDs of companies listed on the NGX to come and discuss their company and their plans and all that. So you want to go check it out. You also want to go check out the video I've done. It's the prior video just before this. So just in case this is the first video you watch, you want to check it out as well to give you a broader picture. ASO Savings has been on the run since suspension. Closed at 1.03 last week, up 56%, slightly above 56% in a week. So that is huge. I think at some point in time, you may see some profit taking happen with this firm. Cornerstone Insurance traded large volume, I think, on Friday. So the question I want to know is who bought those shares? This is the last, I think, 6 or 7 weeks. This is the second tranche of huge shares traded. So I want to know who bought these shares. It would be nice to know who bought these shares and all that. Do we have a new sheriff in Cornerstone Insurance? I think that was the title of my Friday daily market newsletter. So I'll be paying attention. Let's see if we get some disclosure during the week. For more content, you can check out greenticketales.com, the podcast, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. A lot of the earnings are going to be on the podcast. I'm limited to the amount of videos I can do. I think I probably do somewhere between 12 to 15 videos every week. Time, work, other factors limit me in terms of videos. So you want more content, check out the podcast and the website. Ultimately, I think over the holidays, the Christmas holidays, I would look, and maybe from next year, I'll be a bit more consistent in having the podcast episodes uploaded to the website. So you want to check out the website. There's a lot of data analytics work that the team is doing at the moment. And so maybe by December or early January, we'll start to roll out this information. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good and profitable trading week ahead. As always, stay safe.